Dr. Alexander James, German. Welcome to Turkey. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
Animal Economics and KLIVET. How is
you.
feeling today?
Great, yeah. It's my first time in Istanbul.
Yeah.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Okay, let's go on it. Has obesity, cats and
Yes.
dogs, increased in the recent years, in your opinion? What do you
Sure.
think?
Yeah. So yes, in my opinion, the prevalence of obesity has increased in both dogs and cats. We've seen that in our clinic. That I run a clinic at Liverpool, and that's what we see. We don't have brilliant studies to show it, other than just recently. But my estimation is certainly in the last 20 years, we've probably seen an increase from about 40% prevalence, if you look at that, up to closer to 50%.
Personally.
Yeah, depending upon the country, of course.
Okay. Now, what are the main health issues caused by obesity?
Yeah. So the issues relating to obesity in dogs and cats are very similar to people. Firstly, there can be direct effects coming from having too much fat. And those effects typically affect the function of the body. So mobility, respiratory function and breathing, and other functions, including metabolic functions like sensitivity to insulin. So we have these direct effects. Obesity also can predispose to other conditions. So if as a dog or cat you have obesity, you are more likely to develop diabetes, joint disease, breathing problems. So that's exacerbated. Overall, therefore, there's a major impact on both health and welfare.
Yeah.
Dogs and cats are less likely to live as long, and they have a poorer quality of life.
Yeah. Okay. What should be taken in consideration when feeding senior cats?
Yeah. So senior cats are a particular consideration, and what we have to try to do is make sure they stay at what I call a healthy weight. Not too heavy, but not too thin. So what we do depends upon where they are. If you have a cat that is already underweight, we should be feeding them very carefully to make sure they're eating and maintaining that weight, particularly their muscle mass. If they're overweight, then we may want to gently bring their weight down. But sometimes cats often develop chronic disease when they're older, like kidney disease and so on and so forth. And actually, survival is longer if they're a little bit heavy. So whilst we may reduce their weight a little bit, we wouldn't take them back to kind of normal, as it were.
Yes. Thank you. For last question, more important for me.
Sure.
This is your first visit to Turkey?
Yes.
How did you evaluate the KLIVET Congress?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's great. The location is beautiful.
Yeah.
And the facilities are as good as I've seen anywhere. What I didn't know, and you never do, is when you lecture how interested the audience will be and the level. And I was impressed. Everybody was interested.
Yeah.
And I got some good questions as well. So clearly people, they know well. So I'll come again if I can, if invited.
German, thank you.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you. It's been a
Thank
pleasure.
you for coming to Animal Economists. Thank you for coming to Turkey
pleasure.
for KLIVET. Thank you very much.
Thank you.